Hi, my name is Gar. Welcome to my video. It's xkai.com. That's my address if you want to check out my stuff. This is going to be a short video. It's about what you need in your business and like all the equipment that you need. That you definitely need is like autoresponder, tracking device, and you need traffic. This is the most important that you need in your business. So as you can see my screen now. So let's go into the screen. There we go. Into this one. The tracking device I'm going to show you will be called Click Magic, which is highly recommended because it is one of the top one out there. So have a look. It does track all your leads and everything that you need. It's very easy. The one I'm going to show you is Click Magic. Right, we log in here. It's very easy to use as well. When you use your tracking device, you need to always keep track of it all the time. When you do video, it's always slow, always something. Like I said, Click Magic are very good. They always update you on what they do in nets anyway. They just added a new campaign image tracking pixel that you can use to track campaign conversion when you can add a standard JavaScript conversion tracking code. So yeah, but I just go into my campaigns. Okay, I won't go to campaign then. Please confirm. Okay, you have to confirm it to say that you read it. So then you can start moving. Okay, like I said, it's very easy. These are links. These are my links. This is a campaign. These are rotators, and this is tools. And this is how to create a new link. So you press on this one. You can say, let me see, say anything like, okay, just say click one or something like that. And then you just have URL. You do Click Magic, you need to have a URL. So just pick any URL from here first, copy that, click it in here, paste it. I want to click one now because I know what it is. So do master class or something like that. Okay, and then you put a slug in there. Just say, you can say master class if you want. Something like that, and then create link. So basically I've just put masterclass here, got the URL, and then put masterclass here, and then you just create the link, and then it should come up. Tracking link created. So where is the masterclass link? So it should be on the next page. There we are, it's here, masterclass. So basically this is the link that I'm using. This is a copy one that you can copy to your board, and then copy, open up a new page, see if it's working, click on it. It should come up to my masterclass one. Do apologize for my internet because it's slow. And not only that, we have really horrible weather. There you are, this is it. See, the masterclass is here. This is the page that I've got for, which is perfect. It's doing what I'm telling it to do. So yeah, perfect. This is what I'm just going to show you anyway. You can do a lot with the tracking link. You can do like split testing. You can add more URL. You can do pixel. You can do funnel. Entirely up to you. But this is all I'm going to show you is this for time being. So that's how to do, is create a new link. But after that, then you've got to send traffic to it. So let's close this one up. The one that I recommend will be Udemy. Udemy is solo ad traffic, which is highly recommended, and all the top people like Alex Sengal, they all use this, Hussein, they all use this. So basically, I'm just going through them, how to find sellers. This is the people that got more engagement, that mean more sales. He's charging like let's just click on the first one anyway. Right, basically, Angelo Saison. Right, he's got like 5-star reviews here. He is charging you, well, this is 300 visitors for $249. This is, but this is the mission. You can move it. Okay, he won't let you move it then. So the minimum he charged is $300. So therefore, he is charging you $249 for 300 visitors to your website. So that's one. That's one enough for seller. Let's go to let's see, Francis Boyle. Let's try him. Right, he's charging 95 cents. Let's have a look. So basically, he's got 300 visitors as well. It's $288. But he's seller with, and he's doing top tiers customers. But let's see if we can go. No, there you are. So 100 visitors is $98. So you can move it about. You don't have to stay there. I think the minimum is 100 visitors only, so you can't go down lower than that. His rating here is 37% buyers report sale. Its price per visitor is 95 cents, which is not too bad. And he has repeat orders for 10%, and then he can, and it takes 2 hours to talk to the guy, because, well, he's in a different country, so he's in New Zealand. But yep, we can have a look at another one, which can be highly targeted. But you must go through this yourself and have a look, see which one is compatible for you and what niche you are in. Otherwise, just send them an email and find out, can you, what can you do for me, and then if you can, negotiate about the price. Right, this is Kevin Hansen. He's got quite a lot, 300 visitors there. He can do 100 visitors for $54. See, it can go down cheaper if you look around. But then again, cheap is not always good though, is it? So therefore, you need to have a look. He's in Canada, and he's got like 34% of report sales. And then it's 51 cents to a visitor, and he's got repeat order for 15%. So, like I said, you got to look around. Here you got home, orders, messages, text, money. But before you do start, anyway, you have to email the people to find the sellers. Here is what solo deals. You can have a look around for solo deal. This is like promotion from the solo artists. So therefore, you got happy customers with say high fresh quality, 43 cents, 28% off, 109 orders. The more order they have here, I think is the more hits they will get. I mean, more people that use them. So therefore, you can see how many orders he had here. So this one is like 28%, 109 orders. Right. So you got 1,000 visitors, right? And then you got, and it's charging you $433, which is not bad. 50% discount on 300 plus orders. Will he go down any more? Oh, he goes to 50 visitors as well. So he's gone really low. So therefore, it's only $25 for 50 visitors. But then again, you need to ask him, is it top tier customers or not? Or tier one, tier two, tier three. Tier one is like country from England, America, New Zealand, Australia, all the people that speak English. So that's how you do it. So that's how you refine your ideal solo artist. That, but like I said, you need to talk to them before you make a deal with them. Otherwise, it can cost you a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. So highly, highly recommend you do email them, talk to them, tell them what you are selling, what niche you're in. So yeah, like I said, the list is endless here. Look at it. You got so many. Some you can get like a 45 cent to one visitor. It can go lower. Some can be high. Entirely up to you. But like I said, this guy here, look, he's got 8,107 orders. So he must be trustworthy or what? Right, he's got like 42%, 69 sent to a visitor, and 21% repeated customers. So that it's not too bad, but he can go down to 125 visitors for $90. So, like I said, you've got to have a look at it and then see how you get on. Because, like I said, top tier traffic guarantee, 10% over delivery, 2,000 plus subscribers every day. If they're new subscribers and new people on his list, then yeah, you can talk to him about it. This is what solo is about. You've got to find the right niche, right person to talk to, and if he's got the right custom audience that he's applying to. So you got freshly 100% tier one. Check my customer testimonial. He's got only 53 orders, but when did he start it? I think you can see the date when he started. He started. What's the date? The dates. No. The dates of this seller should it should be on here. The dates. These are all the FAQs, and these are about the seller. They do the reviews on that, so you can always watch, read it, and see what they say about him. But ideally, they should put down the date when he started, but I can't find it. But let's see. He go down to 125 visitors for $68, but he's 10% discount on 100 plus orders. So it's not bad, but then again, you've got to like I said, look around. Like I said, this is udemy.com, but I will put the link down on my underneath the video, including the one that I use is Click Magic as well. I'll put a link down there so you can click on the link and have a look. If you like it, then I think do it, go for it.